Alhamdulillah. चलो
So what I felt, the tree small one, before that there was a very big one. Yeah. Like, just my own theory. Maybe it erupted a lot of water and it took more time.
Yeah, sometimes it does that. And then it's also like that. You just have like full eruptions in just every 4 minutes. Just always just,
This is my dad in Iceland and Mr. Miran. And this is me.
Good, thank you so much.
Having fun. Lots of mosquitoes. That's surprising.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah. Amazing. Am I in the right angle? Do you know where that one erupts?
Yeah, it is down there, so you should see it through the steam here.
Okay.
One or
right there.
Just a small one.
यहाँ नहीं देखे यार अब लेंगे इधर
नहीं उधर से यहाँ से
हो गया ले लिया अब नहीं आता
पानी आसमान है
हाँ मालूम देखा मैंने हो गया आ गया वो चले गया अच्छा मीठा पानी है जी यहाँ पे होता शायद वो इस वास्ते सब यहीं ठहरे हुए हैं कैमरे ऑन कर ले सब ऑन कर लेके ठहरे हुए हैं देखिए कैमरे अब यहाँ पे इरप्ट होता है वो थोड़ी देर में Hello.
Hello.
No. This is owned by the government. This place there, these small houses there, and then when our president has
Which was the parliament house?
the parliament. Well, there is the parliament house isn't here, and there has never been a parliament house. But the parliament fields where they held the parliament meetings You can see the flagpole up there and the car park up there. That's where they used to meet up. Yeah, just up there. Like you can see there's a motorhome up there. And that's where the old Parliament place would have been.
Okay.
Yeah, I read in some other caves.
Is this the where it's,
So
the
you
place
can
where
see
it's getting
this
separated?
huge crack just going all the way and just up there and up.
There is a road.
Yeah. This is the path, hiking path. And this is really the area. Then you can see similar cracks in the landscape, just all over there.
So
on the
you
other
were
side of the
okay,
lake.
interesting. And you were saying about the king. You were mentioning something about.
Oh yeah, about the president. Yeah,
Or the
this is
president.
owned by the government. These houses there, or this house there at the church. So when there are foreign, like dignitaries, other presidents, prime ministers, and kings and queens, our president, he meets them there and shake hands and all that. So it's
Interesting.
So this is a public place over there.
When they split Russia.
Yeah, then Russia split just after that. That was the beginning of the fall of the Iron Wall.
Yes, I remember.
Remember
Yes, I remember him.